In today's video, we'll be looking at the staff view of the technician app. On the Google Play Store, you can find it as Facility Manager Technician, and on opening it, it takes you to the login page where you can use the login via OTP option on the left hand side to log in using the OTP, or you can go by login using your email or your phone number and your password. So here I'll put my phone number and my password assigned and log in. There might be a case where multiple accounts can be linked to your same phone number, so you need to select the specific account. Otherwise, if there is only one account with your phone number, it will directly take you to your account. So once I select it, it will directly take you to your active work orders. And over here you can see these work orders are open, but they cannot be accessed by me because first I need to scan the QR code of the specific asset and then go to the work order. So I will use the middle button over here to scan QR code. Scan the QR code and this takes me to the open work orders for that specific asset. So over here I can see 3, and going on the first one, we'll be able to see instructions and asset information. So once I click on asset, you can see the work order ID, asset name, asset ID, and cross check this information. And going back to instructions, these are the various instructions of your checklist that need to be filled and submitted by you. So firstly, employee name can be put in. This is a text response, so you can put your name. And secondly, this is for pipes where it's a checkbox. So in a checkbox, you just need to select this round checkbox and this will get completed. In case of fans, this is a drop down where once you click on this, there'll be two options, working or not working. And now if fans are working, we'll select working and continue. In case of CCTV, you can see this is a numerical response, so you need to put a number only. The system won't take any other response apart from a number, so here you can put your desired number. For floor cleaning, you can see the system is asking me to capture an image. In this case, it is a live photo which you need to take from your phone's camera. So under this, you can go on capture, take a photo and submit it. And under document submission, using the upload button over here, you can upload any file, a PDF or a JPG, and upload it. So as you can see, all these instructions are green and completed, and a green button also appeared for me to mark the whole checklist as completed. Your checklist cannot be submitted unless all the instructions are complete. So once they are, you can select the green button, put your final remarks and then submit it. Then the system will tell you that the checklist is successfully marked as completed, and under open work orders now you will be able to see that earlier there were 3, now there are only 2. We can also use the filter icon over here on the left hand side to filter open or completed work orders by status. So now you can see the one we just completed is reflecting over here under completed. So by status, I can also see on hold work orders or any cancelled work orders and just filter them out. So this was all for work orders, and going back on the third icon over here, you'll be able to see service request. Now service request can be placed by you manually. If you see any complaints around the building, you can simply go on service request, the third icon, and click on add. So when I click on add, the system will ask me the category of the service request. So if there is a service request relating to electricity, I will select electricity, and these are the categories present. So from amongst these categories like AC not working, lights not working, you can select the category, but if it is something else, you just go on others. You put the location. So if it's on the first floor, we'll put first floor. We can describe the service request more. So let's say there is a power failure on the first floor. Then if you want to put an image, you can put that as well and then submit it. So this tells the system that you have submitted a service request or a complaint, and by filtering it out, you can see all the service requests that you have submitted. And you can also filter them by status, like open ones, on hold ones, or cancelled ones. And that was all for service requests. Now, going to the last icon over here for notifications, the bell icon is where all your notifications relating to work orders or complaints assigned are shown. So if a work order or complaint is assigned, it will show a notification in your app over here, and also an SMS notification is sent to you if a complaint is assigned. And the second option over here is again an option for scanning QR codes, where once I click on it, I can scan a QR code and also complete my work orders. And lastly, if you ever want to log out of the app, you can use the red button on the right hand side top corner, and you can also log out of the app by clicking on OK. This was all for the technician app.